you're going to want to keep some sanding grease around because the first grit, we're starting with 80. 80 gets hot. The sandpaper's not going to last long either. And then when I go back with the next sheet of sandpaper, I'll go end to end, back and forth, both directions, cross cut it. Because this first grit is what makes it smooth. Every grit after that makes it polishable, right? Right now we're cold. Can put a ton of grease on there. This 80 grit is just brutal. You're gonna burn yourself with it. Thank you, bud. I'm glad my YouTube videos have been helpful. But plug these in, that might help. Just got them polishing a piece, so we're gonna sand this next one all the way to polish. I'm all the way turned down. I don't want to be too fast. I'm not exactly putting a ton of pressure on either.